Top 10 Computer Repair in Charlotte. 1. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 5. 16,354 reviews, Galleria Blvd No. 120. 2. NyQuest Adventures Computer Repair, 5. 166 reviews, North Sharon Amity Rd Suite 103. 3. Amore Computer Services, 580 reviews, Saddlehorse LN. 4. Charlotte PhoneShop Game Consoles, Computers and More, 4.9 1439 reviews, EWT Harris Boulevard Suite U. 5. Computer Repair Laptop Repair by Vellve Systems, 4.9 999 reviews, Old Pineville Road D. 6. PC Paramedic, 4.9 262 reviews, Fairview Rd Suite E. 7. NerdsToGo, 4.8 274 reviews, Morris Park Dr #I. 8. Kortech Service, 4.8 106 reviews, Sardis Rd N #7A. 9. Randy's Computers LLC, 4.8 102 reviews, US 21 STE 108. 10. Computer Doc NC, 4.8 52 reviews, Old Monroe Rd.